Yeah. So, dear participant, yeah, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Can I speak?
Please, please, sir.
Good afternoon to everybody. My name is Atul Tripathi, and currently I'm an assistant professor in Central University, Bihar. Uh, on behalf of all the participants, I would like to share my feedback as well as my sincere vote of thanks to entire organizing team. I'm very thankful to coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Amit Kumar, and his team for organizing such a wonderful and useful FDP. This FDP has covered various dimensions of wearable robotics, including microcontroller, sensors, and other communicating devices too. This FDP has also provided us some knowledge about fuzzy sets, fuzzy logics, and their application in automation. So we can say that this FDP is a kind of buffet meal where everyone is tasting a particular dish as per their interest. I am very thankful to organizing committee for engaging experts from reputed academia and industry who were very young and very energetic too. All participants have been benefited a lot from this FDP. Once again, I express my sincere thanks to IIIT Kota, Dr. Amit and his entire team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. Any other participants? Other participants, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Please.
So I'm Arlene Davidson from College of Engineering, Trivandrum. So actually, this FTP is, very specialized one, and I think it is also, I can say, it is a subject which meets or it's the need of the hour. So basically, we are all, beginners only, but still, the speakers, every session, the speakers have done their part very faithfully. Like they would be very patient enough to make the audience to make the audience very. They have taken pains to ensure that we follow. Being an online one, it is so painstaking. It is very difficult to manage this one, and actually, I am very thankful to the organizers for having taken up this kind of a challenging job of doing this wonderful topic at this moment. So thank you all the organizers and IIIT Kota. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. And the request is, see, in the I heard from Dr. Amit that he's going to organize one more session, one more faculty, or I mean this short-term training program. Kindly let us know about that. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And just after the feedback session, I will brief about the next that program. Okay. Any other participant, if you would like to speak?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Amit sir, and all of the participants and IEEE Kota and the whole organizers, because it's a difficult to organize such kind of robotics and the practical session. Basically, Saurabh sir and yesterday the exoskeleton session was fantastic. I cannot explain in a short time because lots of new things, and we have to learn lots of new dimensions, as earlier Tripathi sir mentioned. And thank you, sir. Such robotics and the future upcoming trends on specifically this type of technology, which may be implemented in India in lower cost, and also in that R&D development also developing till there. So it's a very difficult for organizers as well as in this low level resources in India. Thank you, sir, and thank you, organizer IEEE Kota. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. And other participants, please. And it is a request that you can also give your suggestions so that we can improve in future, keeping all the suggestions in mind.
Good afternoon, sir. Can I speak?
Please, sir, please.
Yeah, my name is Sengot Vellu, Dr. Sengot Vellu. I am working as professor at Acharya Bangalore B School. Basically, I am a mechanical engineer, worked in Bharat Electronics before coming to academics. So when I saw this FDP, I was not having any clue on wearable robotics. Robotics I could understand, but wearable robotics on this, I was not having any knowledge. But after attending this 5 days FDP, fairly got some knowledge on this particular area. I feel that this is one area that is going to benefit to the society in a big way. That's what I could see, from the development side. Very good FDP organized by IIIT Kota and the coordinator, Professor Kumar and his team. I thank for them. The topic is actually what I feel, this is what my opinion is very, 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 very vast area. You have taken up, actuators, sensors, connecting devices, microcontrollers. Maybe, I don't know. In future DPs and all, when we do, this is one of the suggestions. Just concentrate on only on a particular space, a particular domain, so that we'll be able to get in-depth knowledge in that particular space, and we can visualize things in a better way. So that is only one suggestion, sir. Otherwise, it's went on very well. All the best for the forthcoming FDP also.
Thank you very much, sir. We have noted down your suggestion also. And one suggestion came in chat box that please concentrate on one part of hand wearable robotics. Yeah, of course, we will keep in mind all these suggestions to improve further in future. Other participants, please, if anyone wants to. Yeah, we have received a feedback from Dr. Koppan Chetty, Associate Professor from Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai. So he has provided his feedback that it was a valuable workshop addressing the soft robotics. His specialization is on swarm robot, but actually in the thought of diversifying into soft robotics. It helped him a lot of in terms of understanding of basic concept related to modeling, design, and other. Yeah, thank you very much, sir, for your feedback. And another question is, can we get recorded video? Of course, we will. I will email you the YouTube link of the all recorded sessions of 5 days. So you can type your feedback in chat box also, and you can speak also. Then we will move further. Anybody else? Yeah, thank you, Amardeep sir. Dr. Sonal, you want to speak?
Yes, sir. This
Please.
side Dr. Sonal Yadav from NIT Raipur. So actually my background is from computer science, and I have no much experience in robotics fields. But after attending this workshop, I think I developed my interest more in this area. And definitely means after watching a few hands-on videos, so I think those videos are very useful. And means I will definitely try. At least I may get some little confidence that I can start work in this direction. And especially I would like to say the content was very well, speakers are also very well explained, and session was very well organized, and especially the last session on peace of mind, about stretching, yoga and all. So I like that session a lot. So thank you, sir, for organizing. And in future, I appreciate if you organize more such kind of FDPs. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you all the participants for your motivating words. Thank you, Saraswati ma'am, for your feedback also. And once again, we are thankful to Atal AICTE, our chief guest of honors, our director sir and coordinator sir, and all the participants. So now for formal means to keep in record, I will type, I will paste the Google form link here. Please provide your feedback. Please fill that form. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes, nothing more than that. I will type. I will type the URL. I will paste the URL in chat box just now. Please see your chat box. I have pasted the Google form link. It is a feedback form of all 5 days. Please devote your 2 minutes to fill the form, and then I will send the test. This is an objective test. I will send the test on your email IDs, which you have given in Atal. Okay. So it is 2:51. I will send at 3 o'clock, and yeah, you can submit the response up to 5 o'clock.
Time required to solve the MCQ, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
To solve MCQ, sir, and maximum time.
Can you repeat, sir?
Sir, what is the maximum time period for solving the MCQ question you are attending?
Maximum time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is 2 hours from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
What?
Or do you are asking the time for to solve the test, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So up to 5 o'clock, you can submit your response if you do not have any problem like internet connection and all.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
अच्छा, test is today or day after today, sir?
Test is just after 5 minutes at 3
After
o'clock
5
today.
minutes.
Yeah.
Actually, after 5 minutes, I have a class, sir. After that, I will appear in the test.
Okay, in that case, you can take little bit more time.
Okay,
There is,
sir. Okay.
there is no
Okay,
issue.
sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
At 3 o'clock, just after 5 minutes, I will send you the email which will contain the objective type paper, and please submit your response up to 5 o'clock. If any participants has some special or any problem, please talk to me or write to me, then we will solve. We will try to solve. Please fill out this Google form, which I have pasted in the chat box quickly. Yeah, and Vishal Gupta ji, thank you for submitting feedback. And one more thing that I wish to tell, that I received your email about your email IDs. We will take care. No issues.
Sir, can you share once again feedback form, sir?
Okay. Okay. 1 minute.
Can we submit Atal feedback also?
Yeah, please submit on Atal portal also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I have pasted the URL of feedback form once again in chat box.
So now we have to submit Atal feedback, or later we can, after test, we can submit.
Sir, you will be able to provide your feedback on Atal portal only when we fill your attendance, and your attendance must be at least 80%. Then only you can provide your feedback on Atal portal.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So,
sir. Thank you, sir.
yeah. So this is institute level feedback.
Sir, next is the attendance aspects. I need to know, sir, whether we have attended regularly, but sometimes the Atal providing the attendance.
Amit, sir, feedback submitted.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, your voice means Chindrambam, sir. Your voice is means little bit distorted. I think you are saying that email ID may be different, or some sessions may be skipped.
Sir, I have attended all these sessions, but the reason is during WebEx, it is not clear. Sometimes I have attended in KL University through WebEx. I don't know, the login of WebEx is different and my login is different. I think so. I had an issue over there in while attending in KL University. Similar, they have some issues also. That's why I'm asking for the attendance.
Okay, so please do one thing, sir. Please write to me the both email IDs.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then we will take.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
So I will try to send the paper at 3 o'clock, but if it will take some time, then you can you will take 2 hours. Okay, for suppose you received the email at 3:10, then you will have time up to 5:10. Means 2 hour you will have, no issue, because I have to collect your email IDs from my the local file. Okay, thank you participants. Thank you very much. And now it's time to, okay, I'm going to stop my video, but I'm there. If you have any doubt or questions, you can ask anytime.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
Amit sir. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I
Thank you,
audible,
sir.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am Vinay Singh Marwal from Swami Keshwanand Institute of Technology, Jaipur. And thank you for this wonderful FDP. As a participant, I feel very enriched by attending your FDP and learned a lot of on the wearable robots. It was new to me, though we also conducted the same type of FDP about in the starting of the month of this October, in which we invited Ekta Singla, Professor Ekta Singla and Professor Rajesh Kumar from MNIT. And we know that how hard it is to gather the information of those professors who are working on robotics. So I know that it is very hard to fetch such a good team and to conduct FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your appreciation. Thank you.
So test link.
Yeah, I'm going to email you. So link will not, I will not paste in the chat box. I will email you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can we left the meeting, sir?
Sorry.
Can we left the meeting, sir?
Yeah, you can left the meeting, sir, and I will send you the paper soon. If you have any means problem or you will not receive in another 10 to 15 minutes, you can call me or you can write an email,
Sir,
or you can join the meeting. I will be here.
actually, sir, I have a lecture
No issues,
till
sir. No issues. No
till
issues.
3:50, sir.
Yeah, no issues.
Okay, thank you.
You can submit up to 6 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Dear participants, I have sent you the exam link. This is a Google form, objective type paper. Please check your email whether you receive or not. The email ID is that I have collected from the Atal portal.
Sir, not received.
Yes. I am receiving the message that mail delivery failure. So,
Hello. Hello, Amit sir. I didn't get mail, sir.
yes, I have pasted the link of the test in chat box. Please
Okay, sir.
see.
Okay.
Yeah, please see whether it is.
Sir, actually, I left the meeting. After that, I didn't see any chat, sir. Can you share once again, sir?
Okay. I have pasted just now. Yeah, all participants received the test or anyone left? Hope everyone is received the test link. If anyone who is joined and did not receive, please tell me. Okay, received is okay. If anyone did not receive, Okay. Deepak Kumar Sinha. Yeah, okay. Deepak Kumar Sinha did not receive the email. So should I paste the again? Deepak sir?
Yeah, sir,
No,
I am continuously checking my mail, but I have not received it yet.
no, can you check the chat box here? I have pasted in this chat box.
Uh,
Or I will
you said
paste it again.
that you'll be sending in the mail, sir, right? Okay, I'll check it from.
Uh, email, I sent the email, but failure was
Okay,
coming.
okay. Yeah, then it's okay, sir. Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Yeah, total 20, 40 questions are there. Archana ma'am, did you receive the link? Fine.
Good afternoon, Amit Kumar sir. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
The FDP was very excellent, sir. I have not received the quiz link on my mail ID. Could you please send me, sir?
Ma'am, actually, email ID I sent, but the failure was coming. So I paste the link
Sir?
in chat box.
Okay.
Please
Because
see the chat.
meanwhile,
Yes.
I left. Can you send it once again in the chat
Yeah,
box?
sure.
Because just now I have sent you the mail also.
Okay. Now please see the chat box, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yes. Yeah. PG admission the student.
Rupam Sharma, I have pasted the link, exam link in chat box. Should I paste it again? Yeah. Okay. I will paste it again. Baniji, the test is going on. Participant is just doing the test. So can you stop the recording? There is no need of recording now.